Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2022 Can-Am Maverick XRS Turbo RR Smart Shocked Max model. We've installed a bunch of accessories on it. Wanted to do a walk around, give you a little update on what we've done. You can see that Ryco Street Legal kit flashing there with the hazards on. This is the 8103A kit with the separate mirrors. This is a different part number to add the mirrors, you guys. We'll have those links posted up in the comments below. We've got the Tusk shock mount light bar, USA full glass windshield with venting as well as the upper window, the Tusk 40-inch light bar mounted on the Can-Am accessory roof rack. We've got the side cube lights as well as lights in the back. Whips are from R1. Can-Am rear tire rack or cargo rack. You can see that Ryco kit flashing there. Light to illuminate the plate. Backup camera is from Can-Am. This is the backup camera that integrates into the rear view mirror. You can see that up front. We've also installed the MB Court Stage 5 kit with speakers all over the place. We also added 2 subs. So there's subwoofers under both seats. The Stage 5 kit does come with 1. We added the second. You're going to need an amplifier and the mount kit. Very nice, very nice. We do have light bars everywhere, pod lights everywhere, rock lights everywhere. You're gonna be able to illuminate the night with this bad boy. (435-427-3338). You can check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Tusk lower door inserts. What else would you guys add? This one's heading out the door today. Have a great day, everybody.